Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be quickly showing you all the plants I have in my front view garden. I have already updated recently all the plants on my terrace garden. So this will be a quick tour on all the plants I have in my front view garden. So this is beetle leaf plant actually. You can see the leaves actually. It's almost like my palm size. So it's completely covered with beetle leaf plant, and this is actually flowering plant, this one, and this is another flowering plant. This is called Mallige in Kannada. I don't know what you call them, like it's like jasmine, one of the kind of jasmine plant, and this is other plant. So almost three plants is in the same this one. And here you have peace lily and some snake plant, and this will give some pink color flowers, like it's called lily, one kind of a lily, and this is also a snake plant. So this is like entrance, and this is night jasmine plant. Very good fragrance it will give you, this one, and even this one also. This is called parijata in Kannada. I'm not sure what you call in English, but this also gives amazing fragrance in the night. This is the flowers, how it looks like. You can see this. So this one, and here you have one more kind of jasmine, and here also it is another kind of jasmine. So here when I walk in the night, right, it will be like completely good, very good fragrance. And this is one more cat I have in my garden. I showed you the other cat video, what I have in my garden. This is the other one. So entering, this is a mango plant, grafted one, and this is another mango plant. Both are different varieties, and none of them have started flowering actually. It's growing. And this is another mango plant which is already grown very big actually. So almost three mango plants are there here in this very small region actually, which is very bad actually. But since I have very congested place and I want to grow more plants, I have just put them like this. But I suggest you to give some long space between each fruit plants when you're growing. So this is lychee plant, and this is a flowering plant. You can see the flowers also here. It's called Kankamra in Kannada. I don't know in English what you call that. So here I keep growing all the vegetables in this region actually. It's completely now messed up actually. I have to clear all these things. A lot of tulsi has come up. You can see the spring onions here. These are spring onions. And here a sugarcane is also coming. You can see the sugarcane. It's still growing. This is also sugarcane, but it's dried up actually. It didn't come up good. And this is chili. You know this. This is also one more chili, but I have to clear this full space actually. It's really very messy actually. This is bay leaf plant, the leaf which you use for biryani and all. That's this one. And this is like tulsi, like almost three varieties of tulsis are there here. This is, I think, Vishnu tulsi, Krishna tulsi, and one more. And here I just cleared this space today evening itself. So here I'll be putting some carrot plants actually completely. And you can see the border is completely filled with all the flowering plants. You can see that. This is marigold. This is tumba plant. This is shamantiga, they say in Kannada. In English it's like sunflower only, but not exact sunflower, the small kind of sunflower plants. And this is completely turmeric. You can see the leaves actually. It has come amazing actually. All these are turmeric plants. And there you have some rose plant and some other plants. So coming here you have a sweet corn plant actually. This is sweet corn. I have already harvested few sweet corn which had grown in my terrace. This is something which I'm growing in the ground. So this is a rose plant. It's completely dried up actually. And this is a big go up tree actually. This is the first tree in my garden actually. It's giving very good harvest every year actually for me. It's never disappointed actually for me. Huge tree, but it's almost taken up a huge space here. It gives it's like the other plants won't get much sunlight and all, but I have not cut it actually. And this is badam. And this is again one more kind of flowering plant. They call it kakda in a regional language. I don't know what you call them in English again. It's also like similar, like it looks like jasmine only, but it's not jasmine. You can see this. So what do they call in English? I'm not sure. So this is sugarcane plant. I have just harvested them. You can see this. I have made a separate video. You can just check it out. I'll be uploading it before I upload this particular video. This is chiku plant. It's not grown very well actually. It's just like this from almost like 6 months. Maybe the main reason is the surrounding. You can see it's covered with all big plants, and it's not getting proper sunlight. Maybe the water also is, and the soil also is one more reason. So yeah, and this you can see ginger. It's come out very well actually. This is ginger. This is pomegranate plant. This is hibiscus, and this is one more sugarcane. It's coming very well actually. It's growing good. This is star fruit plant. It has already given me a very good harvest last season, so this season I have to see how it's going to come up. This is completely star fruit plant, and this is again beetle leaf plant. You can see the beetle leaves. It's completely surrounding. You can see how it's climbing actually. And this is custard apple. No, this is custard apple plant. I have one outside also, outside my compound, and inside also I have one. So you can see within very small limited space I have so many plants actually completely. So that is actually bad, but I don't have much space, so I have just grown all of them in this particular region. This is a rose plant again. So that was quick update of all the plants I have. Hope you liked it. Do like, share and subscribe, and if you have some tips and all, do add them in the comment section. Thank you.